Smells like fuel. Looks like fuel. Not real wet though. Run a little rich though. What do we got for ignition this bike?
The one that you gave me?
Resistor?
Is that gapped?
No. Was it supposed to have a gap in there?
I got one of those things.
What? Oh, look, you got a custom one. Okay, you actually had 30 on there.
Isn't it supposed to be like 22 or something?
35 now. No, it's got electronic ignition in it.
Oh. And that's why I keep that thing on my keychain.
We're going to steal again on one more. Yeah, but you didn't videotape that. There's a secret that I did. Off camera. Nobody will ever know. Well, this one's a lot cleaner. It's even unscrewing over here, too. Those blue pliers over there. Custom tool here. Here, tighten it up for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, that was a little bit better. Where's your chingadera? No videotape. Oh, she's got to show videotape now. Damn, that's cheating. I'm going to do it the right way so you can see it better. Oh, yours says champion on it.
Mm-hmm.
Mine doesn't say champion on it. Oh, I went too far. Yeah, 34.5. That's close enough. Check that. Is the ignition still on?
So.
Oh, hold on. Looking for a spark. No. Phew.
Wait.
No spark. I think it doesn't start because there's no spark.
That might be an issue.
Anything on the front one?
I was looking.
Where's it? Oh, got it backwards. Flip it around, you can see in there. All right, try this one. Yeah, it looks great. There's no spark. So ignition's on?
Hit the brake.
Lights on.
Oh. Wait, here.
Give me a test light over there.
Here. Try it.
This one?
Yeah, give me one that's open. That'll work. Hold on. Let me put the leaf out here. There. All wadded up. Okay, we need ground. Okay, we have no power to the coil. This is supposed to be like lit up right now.
Yeah.
Okay, so where's our power coming from?
Here.
Well, it's not getting here.
Yeah.
So where's this wire go to?
That wire goes into the box.
All right, let's get the box off. Find some power. Turn the ignition off so you don't burn it up. All right, shut the video camera off for a minute. All right, the ignition's on or off right now?
Off.
Okay, where's that new battery you just hooked up in there? The juice in it. Oh, there we go. We got power.
That's good.
Okay, we got power there. Whatever all these red wires are, it's got nothing to them. What are all these red wires over here?
That's that'll go. That should go on once I turn on the ignition.
Oh, that's your regulator drill
Yeah.
up in there. Okay. Just grab that flashlight over there so I can see you. Okay, where's the wire coming from the coil? You got this nice old style black wire.
Yeah.
What?
I need a hammer to knock this thing out. Yeah. Dangerous around here. Gotta watch out for these custom bikes that pack you. Alright, where's all your switching up here? Okay, here's your switch, right?
Yeah.
How come there's no power to your switch? What'd you do over there?
I turned it on.
Oh, well, that helped. What's this switch turn on?
Those are the lights.
Oh, I
And
don't care about lights. Okay, where's our wire at for over here? So where's the wire coming in from?
right there.
Okay, that one there. Where's it going to?
It goes to that right there, right in front of you. The one that you're touching right now with the
No,
red
it's not,
clamp.
Was it circling around?
Yeah.
So he's jammed up in the backside here or what? There
Oh,
it
wait.
is. Okay, okay, makes a loop, goes around. heads over to the switch over here. Okay, I'm on the switch.
We should.
Turn the switch on.
The switch is on.
We got no power. We have no power in the switch.
In the ignition switch?
My light's not lit up, see? No
Okay.
power. I'm touching the screw back there, there's no power.
No.
That's hot. Turn that one off. Turn the switch off. Okay, that's our input wire. This wire up here. Okay, turn the switch on. Go back one.
Go back one? Off?
Well, you got 2 or 3 position switch. Should be a 3.
This is,
First notch.
yeah, that's forward,
Second
and then
notch.
off, and then on.
That's not how switches work.
Well, that's what this one's doing.
The key comes out in the middle.
Yep.
That's kind of stupid. We have no power to this one. Flip the switch again. Nothing. Keep going. There you go. Power. Power. Okay, so that one is ignition. Well, we have no power here. Okay, so now we got power to the switch, but no power to the wire out of the switch. So we got power.
Should I check the fuse?
No. We have no power to the wire right here. Can you hold this line up here for me?
Yeah.
Oh, look at all this extra wire. Get all that crap out of the way, I can see better. I like that. Okay, this wire here, which goes up to the coil, has no power to it. And it comes right off that switch over there. So somewhere between there and here, we're lacking power. Let's see if I can poke a hole in here and see if there's any juice in this wire here. Okay, there's no power in that wire there. What's this white wire going to here? Get that white off. So we got power there. We got no power coming out of this connector over here you got. See, there's no power here. We have power there, but not here. So something right in here is not very good. So what's this white wire you got coming out of here? Where does this go to?
I believe that goes to over here.
Well, this here is our problem, is right in here. Something right here is lacking juice. See, there's no power. No power there. I'm between wires there. We got power there. We have no power, whatever's underneath this. So
Which is it's a connector.
whatever's in here, we're not getting power to it. Is that insulated?
Yeah.
That's not insulated down there, there's no power. Back here, on the back side of this wire, there's no power when I poked through it. I went right through the wire. Damn it. There's no power in that wire. There we go. Okay, you see the light lit up? No power. So whatever's underneath this fancy connection you got here, we got no power. Your ignition switch still on?
Yep.
Okay. There's a pair of dikes that we have.
You want me to turn off the...
Not yet. Give me the good dikes. No, we can work with live power. We don't care.
It's only 12.
Oops. Well, there's your problem. Oh, there's a guy called me back, wanting to know who I was. Okay.
Can we answer it?
Well, let's see what we got. Oh, we got power. And this one here probably has no power.
I got it?
There we go. Shut it off. Okay, let's double check this. Turn the power on over there. Okay, this has no power to this. Nope. We have power to this black wire now. Ooh, big time power. And of course this is dead because it connects. Okay. So somehow that connection we had didn't work. Go ahead and kill the power.
Sure.
Make sure we got no juice. We have no juice. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of this wiring that the customer doesn't know anything about. I think that was a comment you said.
No idea.
No idea. It worked once.
Yep.
Has the bike been running kind of shitty lately?
No.
Oh, okay. I'm thinking it might not have had power very often. Like right now when we need it. I guess that's only when you try to start the bike it has no power. When it's running, there's plenty of power.
Yeah, it's one of those things.
Yeah, well, we're going to make it so we have power all the time. How's that?
Now you're just asking too much.
That's too much?
Yeah, come on, man. Too easy.
I'm trying to overcomplicate the deal here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going to put a new tire, a new connector over here. New to him. It's actually even new to me too. Okay, that one's connected now. Yeah, there we go. So we're going to take this other one we just lost. I'm going to take this big fat one over here. I'm going to put these two together.
Well, I know that technique. Old twist-a-roo.
Yeah, but you don't put the connector on it after you twist it.
Nope. Electrical tape.
I want to put them in there. That ain't going to work. Let me get this wire too thick. Cut some more of that away. There we go. It's an old style looking wire. Now we got some wire. There, that's a good connection over there. Cut some of that. It doesn't work now. Now it's screwing on me. What's going on here? There it goes. It's going to pop down in the hole. Okay, shove that in and crimp the piss out of it. Okay, let me do the old test. Here, it stayed in. That's a good sign. All right. Contact. Oh my God, there's power. Where's your kill switch?
I don't have one.
Oh, turn it off. There we go. Kill switch works. It's called ignition switch.
It's manual.
Okay. I don't know what that white wire goes to, but it's connected now too. So we'll jam all this junk back in this hole over here. I thought there was like a burger in here or something.
Cheeseburgers, sandwiches.
Yeah, Coke, something. Here you go, sir.